Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can open a demo account on TradingView. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to tradingview.com, and from here click on the get started button or the get started for free. Click on the sign up button and then you want to proceed by typing in your email address. Right after, your account dashboard will look something like this. So you want to search for the Forex or crypto that you want to trade into. In my case, I'm going to be using the S&P 500. So just head over to the chart right here. And then you want to click on the full chart option. Once inside this page, you will be able to see the trade option or the trades button right beside publish. So simply click on it. And to open up your demo account, you then want to click on the paper trading, click on connect. Unfortunately, as of the moment, paper trading is unavailable, but you can just go ahead and simply try to connect again, and from there, you will be able to trade to your account. Now, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.